Not a test. This is a national emergency. Important details and instructions will follow. This is an emergency communication order, order for release by the White House. During this emergency, all cable and TV stations will remain on the air, delivering important emergency information and alerts. This is not a test. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be delivering an address over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Here is the President of the United States. My fellow Americans, it grieves me to report this information to you. As we have feared, the Yellowstone supervolcano a day ago exploded. This eruption is continuing and has already ejected the necessary 1,000 cubic kilometers of magma needed to rank as a supervolcanic eruption. After this alert ceases transmission, a new updated volcano warning will be issued. At this time, the states of Wyoming, State Idaho, Montana, Colorado, and Utah have ceased to exist. Huge pyroclastic flows surged outwards from the erupting volcano, incinerating everything left within 100 miles of the volcano. The eruption column extends to a height of 52 miles into the sky. Lava is also flowing out of the caldera, adding to the destruction. This eruption now ranks as a volcanic explosivity index 8 eruption, meaning that over 1,000 cubic kilometers of magma have been ejected. The states of Nebraska, Kansas, Nevada, New Mexico, Oklahoma, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Texas have all received about 3 to 6 inches of volcanic ash and pumice fallout from this eruption. The eruption has now continued for nearly 2 days. Over 1,300 cubic kilometers of magma, rock, lava, and ash have been dumped across the United States. This eruption shows no signs of ending any time soon. Expect the following hazards to continue across the United States. These include earthquakes, heavy ash and pumice fallout, pyroclastic flows, lava flows, caldera collapse, and volcanic winter weather impacts. A global catastrophe is imminent after this eruption ends. The volcano's sulfur dioxide quantity will block sunlight, reflecting some of it back into space, thus cooling the planet, causing several years of volcanic winter conditions. My fellow Americans, even though we are in tough and unprecedented times, we will prevail and get through this catastrophe stronger and better than ever before. I want to get this to the end before I turn off this alert.